Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here in Colva Beach, which is the capital beach of the south of Goa. Capital in the sense this is one of the most popular beaches here in South Goa. So right now we are here in the afternoon and I'm going to be taking you around and showing you this beautiful beach here in South Goa. So let's go and check it out. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos here in Goa and I'm a local Goan, so I can give you the best advice. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you. So let's just go around and see this beautiful beach. I'm going to be doing some beautiful drone shots also, so watch the whole video. So let's go around and check this place, guys. So guys, we are about to head on to the beach. As you can see, the water is very blue here, and we'll just go around and I'll just show you this. So you can either come over these bridges, which are very iconic. These bridges are here for a long time, and or you can walk from this path over here. So I'm going to take the easy route for now and go from this path over here. There is this little pond or lake. This is dirty water, so you don't want to swim in this or get wet in this area over here. So the best part about South Goa, guys, is the sand. The sand is so white and it is so clean over here. So if you can see this, this is a very beautiful cabana. You can click nice pictures of, and look at the sea, guys. It's so beautiful. So look at this place. Again, this is the dirty water. You do not want to go into this water. Over there we have more cabanas where people can rest during the day. And over here you have the very popular lifeguard post. They have a jet ski over here. At the moment there is no boating or anything which is open. If you want, you can swim around like this. And there are a few people around on the beach. Actually, there's quite a lot of people, and there's tourists down the beach that side. As I said, this is one of the most popular beaches here in South Goa. So we'll just go up over here and see the fishing boat. So right now people are fishing and they're bringing in their catch. I mean, people are enjoying swimming as well. This beach has a lot of shells. So the shells is very nice, because if you want to collect some shells and take them from Goa, you can take them from here. So you can keep on walking. There's not a single shack that is open at the moment. It is just completely empty. So if you just want to walk around here, have a swim, this place is perfect. This is very beautiful. So this is how they fish here. So I think they're cleaning the nets. These are the local fishermen of Goa here, and we have, of course, we have people from all other states coming to work for them and help them with the fishing. So look at the beautiful water, guys. This has some of the most blue water that you can have in Goa. So besides Palolem, Aguanda, it's an absolutely beautiful sight. In the distance far away over there is Bat Island. If you go further that side is Vasco. That is where the Vasco airport is. So look at the water, look at the beach. It's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous place. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to get my drone out and we're going to see the beautiful view from, we're going to check out the beautiful view from above, and I'm just going to go back, so I'll just give you a 360 view of this area. The sky is very beautiful and blue, so you can see, you can click some amazing pictures over here.
I'm hypnotized by you. I can't do what you say. I'm hypnotized by you. Love in my I'm hypnotized by you. I can't do what you say. I'm hypnotized by you. Love in my
So guys, that is it from here in Colva Beach. As you can see, this was a beautiful place and I definitely recommend coming here. If you want to stay somewhere here, you can comment below and I will find you a place, so I will send you a link of a good place to stay. Definitely come here. I would recommend this place and you will really have a great time here, guys. So now to the next place.